Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Land Rover key battery. Pry the fob open gently at the seam using a plastic pry tool or flathead tucked into the slot and twist. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Clean contacts with a soft cloth, insert the new battery matching polarity, and snap the case closed firmly before testing the remote functions and keyless entry. Prepare your workspace and tools before starting to save time and avoid frustration. Use a plastic pry tool or small flathead wrapped in tape to protect the plastic casing. Confirm the battery model is CR2032 and handle it with clean, dry hands. Keep a soft cloth or cotton swab to wipe contacts and remove debris. Having everything ready makes the swap quick and prevents accidental damage to the key electronics. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, when you're crouched under your car or waiting for parts, treat your feet. Grab Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for long-lasting comfort and fewer trips to buy replacements. I love the durability during garage work and they wash well. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing any external keys and placing the fob on a flat, well-lit surface. Gently open the case at the seam, lift out the old battery, and replace it with a new CR2032 observing the plus and minus orientation. Reassemble the case until it clicks, then press each button to confirm locking, unlocking, and remote start if equipped. If buttons fail, follow the reprogramming steps in your owner manual to sync the fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.